Good morning students, class 8, and today we are going to solve the further questions of exercise 7.2. So see them in a very proper way. Just read question number 4 of exercise 7.2. Lata's mother is 4 times as old as Lata. After 5 years, her mother will be 3 times as old as she will be. Then find their present ages. So how to solve the questions which are related to the ages? If suppose I am talking about my age after 10 years, it means you have to use my age after 10 years, means whatever my age will be after 10 years, that will be used in the question. Okay? So first of all, in this kind of question, we have to make one box. See like this. Answer 4. We have to make one box. In this box, the first column is of persons and second column is of their present ages. In this question, the persons are, one is Lata and second one is Lata's mother. So we can say Lata and second one is Lata's mother. Okay? So we have to write down their present ages according to the question. Question is saying Lata's mother is 4 times as old as Lata. But we don't know what is the age of Lata. So we will say age of Lata is X years. It means her mother's age will be 4 times now. So it will become 4x. Okay? Now read the question more. Question is saying after 5 years. Means we have to find out their ages after 5 years. So we have to make one more column, age after 5 years. So Lata's current age is X. After 5 years it will be X plus 5. Lata's mother's present age is 4x. So after 5 years it will be 4x plus 5. Okay? Now we can solve it according to the question. Just see it. After 5 years, her mother will be 3 times as old as she will be then. It means after 5 years, Lata's mother age will be how much? 3 times Lata's age. Okay? So what is the age of mother after 5 years? It is 4x plus 5. So substitute here 4x plus 5. 3 into. And Lata's age x plus 5. So write here x plus 5. Now we have to solve it and find out the value of x. Okay? 4x plus 5 equals to, when bracket will open, 3 will get multiplied with x also and 5 also, 3x plus 15. Send x to x term and number to number. 4x, we have to do transposing here. 15 minus 5. 4x minus 3x, x. 15 minus 5, how much? 10. So the question was asking their present ages. So Lata's present age, it is how much? X, means 10 years. And one more thing we have to find out, what? Lata's mother present age. It was how much in the question? 4x. It means 4 into 10. It will become 40 years. Understood this question? So see it and do it. Now students, read question number 5. Question number 5 is saying 4 years ago my father's age was 4 times that of my age. At present, the sum of my father's age and that of mine is 53 years. What are our present ages? Okay. So, in this question again we have to make insert one bracket, or we can say column. Okay. We have to make one box. In the first place, same like before, we have to write the name of the persons, and in our question 2 persons are there. One is a boy and second one is his father. So, we can say child and second one is father. Okay. Now, in this question it is saying 4 years ago my father's age was 4 times that of my age. So, in this question it is given age actually 4 years ago, age 4 years ago. If before 4 years the age of the father was 4 times the age of the child, so we can say child age will be x and father's age will be 4x. But this age is of age 4 years ago. And in our question we have to find out the present age. So, what will be the present age? It is x 4 years ago, and now after 4 years we have to add 4. In the same case of father also we have to again add 4. This was the question was saying. Is it clear? So, in this way we will get their present age. Now, according to the question, what question is saying? Question is saying at present the sum of my father's age and that of mine is 53 years. Means if we will add their present ages, child age plus father age, it will be equals to 53. Now, question is asking find their present ages. So, what we have to do? We have to find out the value of x, and then we can easily find out their present age. So, just solve it. 4s plus x 5x, 4 plus 4 8 is equals to 53. Now, we have to transpose 8 to right hand side, because here we have to find out the value of x. 5x will be equals to 53 minus 8. 5x will be equals to 53 minus 8, how much? Yes, 53 minus 8, we will get 45. So, x will be equals to 45 upon 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 9 ja 45. So, the value of x is 9. So, we can say child's present age, it was how much? X plus 4 means 9 plus 4, it will become 13 years. Second thing, father's present age. Father's present age, it was how much? 4x plus 4, 4x plus 4 means 4 into 9 plus 4. 9 4s are 36 and 36 plus 4, it will become 40 years. Understood now how to solve the questions which are related to ages? You have to make one box for solving those kind of questions. Okay. One more thing, question number 5 and 6 I had done, they were related to ages kind word problem. Okay. And question number 7 is question number 6. Question 4 and 5 I had done, and question number 6 is also the question word problem related to ages kind question. Okay. So, this you have to do by yourself. Okay. So, complete today up to here. Thank you very much.